Well, guys, I'm gonna go pick up another vehicle today. Guess you already know what it is, but yeah. So I found another RS shell GC. I've wanted one for a long time. This one's a 4-door sedan, which is yeah. So this will be good for a family car, huh?
Yeah, family car.
So that way kids can actually sit in the back, unlike the coupe. They could, but I'm probably gonna delete those seats in the coupe anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up another car, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna go hook up the trailer. So we're just driving on the ranch, so everyone doesn't need to freak out that he's not in his booster seat, huh?
Yeah.
So you're a big boy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna go hook up the trailer. Raise the trailer. Okay, let's go hook up the trailer. Well, guys, here we are. It's the next day. I went and picked up the car. Rowan had to stay here and go to bed, huh? Yeah, so Rowan stayed here with Yaya, and we went and got the car. So you guys ready to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that hunk of metal. So, what we have here is a 2000 RS. Nice thing about this is an actual RS. My coupe is just an L model, so it's just a base model, which it's kind of what I wanted because I knew I was going to be cutting it up really bad. Yeah, what he said. So I knew I was going to be cutting up the coupe really bad, so I didn't want to do that to an RS. But this I'm going to just kind of restore back to just a normal RS. But I'm not going to be doing just the normal 2.5 NA. I'm actually going to be swapping in a WRX motor and transmission and all that just to make it fun, because honestly these aren't that much fun stock. The only reason people want them is because they look amazing. So done with your water. So yeah, that's the goal. We're going to go and load it, and then we can kind of look inside. All right, so obviously we got no engines, no transmission. This is literally just a shell of a car. A little dark, but literally no interior. Has an e-brake and some of the chassis harness. Maybe all the chassis harness. That would be nice if it did. No trunk. So there is a lot that this car needs. No sunroof, but being an actual RS, for 300 bucks, I couldn't pass it up. I've been looking for one for a long time that's a good price, and I wanted one that was kind of in this kind of shape, because that way I could build it completely into what I wanted versus buying one, having to take it completely apart and then build it. For me, like, this, half the work's already done here. Maybe not half, but a big portion of the work's already done here because it's already taken apart. So really, I'd be kind of stupid not to paint it right now because it's already pretty much taken apart. So I'm probably gonna paint it. I'm gonna do World Rally Blue because I've always wanted a World Rally Blue Subaru. A World Rally Blue Subaru. Say that 10 times fast. But so yeah, I figured, well, why not? Paint it, and then I already have a potential parts car that a buddy of mine has that would have literally all of the interior in it. And so that would be perfect because I can literally just take it from that, put everything into here, and then I'm probably gonna look for like an 02, 03 WRX. I don't need I don't need an STI. Yeah, they have a little more power, better transmission and all that. I get the STI thing, but for me, there's just gonna be a good, reliable daily. I already have my coupe that is gonna be my monster. I don't need another monster. I just want to be able to hop in this, run to town real fast, and I have to wait forever for the engine to warm up like I do my coupe. And so it'll just be a good daily and a good family car because 2 more doors. More doors for more kids, right? So, no, I am super excited. It is gonna be a ton of work, but I feel like it's gonna go relatively quick if I can do it right. If I can get that parts car, I'll literally have all the parts I need to finish it besides the drivetrain. Then I'll look for a wrecked WRX for the drivetrain, swap it together. And then big thing is I'll be able to get it barred here in California. My coupe is not road legal here. I keep it registered in Idaho to get past a lot of that, but if I do get pulled over, I'm always at risk of getting it impounded or taken away. So it makes me nervous to drive it a lot. Whereas this, I'll be able to drive it all the time and it'll just be a fun daily. So looking forward to it. Probably be a while before I start on it because I need some parts cars, and right off the bat, I'm probably just gonna paint it. So, which is kind of nice because I can start doing the body work, sanding it down, all that. There's a few dings here and there, but overall it's actually in really good shape. And so I won't need that much body work, which is nice. So I guess that's really it. Not much to see. It's kind of just half of a car, but this is just the beginning. So why not just throw another project into the bunch that, as if I'm not spread thin enough, but that's okay. Like I said, 300 bucks, I couldn't pass it up. Even if it sits for a while, I'll finally have an RS, and it'll be a true RS. So value wise, that's better. And then I'll have a coupe and a sedan, so that's pretty cool anyways. Well guys, I think that's it. Here's the introduction. More to come, so follow along if you want to keep up with it. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.